A fun little style points addition to your mace flows is the outward sword swing. Now for this, you want a very loose grip. The more you hold on, the harder it's going to be to let your arm go down, or you'll find your forearm will drop and the elbow will give way rather than your wrist rotating. Now, for the outward sword swing, unlike the inward sword swing, we want to take a thumb grip. So as we come backwards, we really let the fingers go and you're holding pretty much with just the thumb, okay? Let that momentum swing round, give it a little bit of help, and we're back up. So we can do the outward sword swing with a loose grip.